Good morning. Welcome to Wake Up Wednesday. I'm Steven.
I'm John. Good morning.
And we have a new session for you today. We're going to talk a little bit about the print preview option that's recently been enhanced. We want to talk a little bit about that. And so John's going to go ahead and take over and kind of go into that for you.
So we have first, let me just show you. So if you go to the hamburger icon, if you didn't know, this is a hamburger icon. Looks like buns with the hamburger patty.
Give me just one moment, John, before we go on here. Hang on just one second. I just want to make sure our audio is good. Rude. There. Give me just one moment.
We do want you to hear us well, so.
Yes, give me just a moment.
That looks like what we're using.
All right, there we go.
Are we good?
Yep.
Breaker 9. Come back, good buddy.
There you go.
Okay, sweet. Okay, so first, like I said, we're going to click on this hamburger icon. This is where, so I just want you to see what it's set to. I just thought of a better place, but so right now you can see that I have my report printer set to -p space preview. I'm going to choose save there and just show you this is actually where you would save it, is going into the environment env at enter program name. And then I'm just pushing L. LO is actually what your report printer is set to. So you probably have, let me just see, you probably have -LOP -P space spooler, not printer, spooler. And so that's probably what you have. So what you can do is just take out spooler and we're going to just type in preview. And what this does, it's going to make it so that you don't print out physical reports on paper. It's going to bring it to a screen instead, and then let you have the ability to save as a PDF. That's really what we enhanced. And then you can still print it to the printer from that preview.
Yeah, it still gives you all the options. So you can just view it, you can print it, or you can save it as a PDF. So it just gives you some different options. Now, if you wanted to still go straight to your printer without popping up, you can still keep that on spooler. But we do suggest changing it to preview because it gives you a little more options. Hello, Bill.
Hey, Bill. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to do a report. Let's just do a SLE, secret password. And we're going to go to change delete. I think I did something this morning. Yeah, I put $50 in there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose F5. Now I have mine set to preview right now, and I'm going to hit print. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring it up into this preview window. And so you can look through here, you can look at your cells, you can go down here, see if you're shorting over. If you don't know, put in your cache in your SLE before you print. That's what's going to make your shorten over. That should be a 0. If you forget to put your cache, you're going to be negative the amount of cache you took for the day. And so I'm going to choose, so up here at the top left, you have it's the Adobe PDF icon. And so I'm going to choose save on that. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to automatically save this in a subfolder called PDF in your book folder. And what we did is now it saves the report type, underscore, and then your username. So Stephen here on his computer is user 1, and then it's going to put the date .pdf. And so I'm just going to choose save.
So it actually has smart file names now, so it's not just going to be a generic name.
Right. And so maybe if you do an IVP, I have some other things in that folder, but let's do an SLIV. I don't know if I have anything on my SLIV, but we'll see. So I'm just going to do print to printer. I printed it already this morning. Bad sales day. Bad sales day. All right, so I'm going to choose the save as PDF. Just show you one more time. And then it's going to be there.
And as you notice, it changed to SLIV. So it actually has the program name right there.
So I'm going to choose save there. Just one more quick print. I'm going to go into my IVP.
And one thing I want to highlight there is because it's sorting by the name, it's going to put them in the right order for you, because it's going to put SLIV, because the next thing, if you notice, is after your username and reg number, it actually has the year. So it's going to keep those in order so you can go back and pull those as you need them without having to really put in a lot of effort.
One more thing to mention is with version 9, everything runs thin client. And so these files are actually saving on your server. Yes. And so if you want to look at these files, you would have to be on your server. Unless you, for some reason, you have a drive mapped to your server, you could look at them that way. But By default, they are saving to the server, so you'd want to be at the server. I'm going to do a load previous report because I have some saved reports here. Let's see. So I have a Baker and Taylor. Let's just do that. And you can see that it's now my Baker number here. And I'm going to go ahead and choose OK. I'm going to choose print. Hopefully this doesn't take long. This is the luxury of doing the reports beforehand.
There you go.
And so, okay. So it looks like that went pretty well. And so what you could do, I'm going to go ahead and choose save. And so what you might do on here is all your IVPs you can see are going to be together. So what you might do is like after the 10, maybe put dash Baker, something like that. That just gives you a little bit more. So I'm going to choose save there. And so this just saves paper. I know a lot more today. We're trying to save everything digitally. This is a big enhancement to the preview. We've always had the preview, but it was using the same file name, and so it wasn't as useful. And so again, these are saved in the PDF folder under your book folder.
Yeah, and we're going to be doing more of these.
Yeah, so we're looking at making further enhancements, and so yeah.
And then shows coming up in less than a month.
Yeah,
and so we're looking forward to seeing you there. Make sure that if you're at the show, plan on attending the training on Sunday. We will have the users training with John, so you'll be with John. If you have anybody that you know that's coming to the show that's not a BSM user, please encourage them to attend my training, where I'll be doing an intro into what Bookstore Manager is, how it can save time for somebody not using Bookstore Manager. We'll also be highlighting some of the website features, so it's always a good addition for stores if you have anybody out there that is not currently using us.
Yes.
We'd love for everybody to be using us and just better networking. So,
oh yeah.
But yeah, so we're looking forward to seeing everybody in less than a month. Let us know in the comments if you're going to be there. And we look forward to seeing you. I know Bill is going to be there. I saw him on the list to going. So we'll look forward to being there and seeing everybody and networking. It's going to be a great time.
Good reimbursement program. So
yep, lots of entertainment stuff that's going to be going on there. So it'll be a good show. It'll be good to see everybody. That's all we have today. We are praying for you. If you have any specific prayer requests, please drop those in the comments or email those to us. Hi, Rachel.
Hi, Rachel. Can't wait to see you.
If you don't mind, be praying over me. I went on vacation last week. Had a little scare with the head stuff. They're wanting to do an MRI and stuff. And so because of this guy, they get nervous anytime there's stuff involving the brain. So supposed to get an MRI next week. And so if you would just be in prayer over that it's, nothing.
Just altitude sickness.
Just altitude
He went really high.
Yeah. So, but I appreciate your prayers and look forward to seeing everybody. Cannot wait. And we'll see you soon. Thank y'all. Bye, everybody.
Have a blessed day. Put
love
your
you guys.
prayer requests in the comments if you have any. We would love to pray for you.
Yes. Absolutely.
We love you. Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Have a blessed day.